is
Blow
1.
out everything faster. Blow everything faster.
If the order of reaction
Blow
is 1,
everything
basically this is the general
You should have blown it
equation.
out outside, bro. Oh god.
It's not like I keep all the way, I come here.
Chalk it down.
Minus RA equal to KCAN. So let's say if n is 1, or basically this is the
No, my hands are big.
first order. Correct? First order. So how?
Extract the alcohol.
Because of the minus dCA over dt equal to KCA1.
Hey, Amin, move. Oh,
Different.
hey.
So when you do the integration, integration from CA0 to CA, and this one will be from 0 to time. Okay, now this one after you work it out, this one I think is in one of your lecture notes. Okay, so what you will get? You will get ln CA0 over CA equal to KT. Just now one of your classmates already came to ask me the answer. So you see your classmate working so hard.
Sure, it's not my problem.
பிரச்சனை தானே
Yeah, exactly.
So now you can use this to plot graph already, right? Y equal to mx plus c. Okay? So y is the ln CA0 over CA, right? M is actually K. This one is X. Okay, what happened to C? 0. What does it mean? C 0. Very good. It's cut through the intercept 0.
Okay.
Okay, later you have to use this again. This
Where's your bag? Sorry. It's okay.
you need to know how to integrate this. Please,
Do
In-
not put your bag there. I like to put my bag there so that I can stretch my leg.
Dada must know. I put 2 star already. You see, whatever I say, that is, I cannot say anything will be coming out. But if I put star, it means that is very important. Right? You can see from our lecture quiz, right? Whatever I put 2 star, what will happen in your quiz? Okay, now I move to the second order.
The third question also will start.
Second order,
Thank you.
same thing. Second order is minus dCA over dt equal to KCA squared. Someone got so much energy after eat McDonald's.
How do you know he eat? You see.
Then we do the integration from CA0 to CA and 0t again. After you work it out, you will get 1 over CA minus 1 over CA0 equal to KT. Remember, you are going to use this again and again in topic 4, 5, and 6. Dr. Chang Li will not repeat this again. Okay?
Yeah, I know that.
Only me will repeat.
Everything.
Yes. We love you.
I
Keep
can't hear
blushing,
anything.
He you rushing.
I also love my student, huh? So when I mark, I try to mark very leniently, even though you do long calculation, long, but if you understand the concept, definitely I can give you the marks, okay? But try not to make me close to eye and give marks, I cannot. When I close to eye, I only can do this one. Okay? And someone already kena a lot cross man,
Oh no.
I think the paper is not very difficult, right?
No.
Yeah. What I learned from what I actually when I started marking already. I think usually students will make mistake in the calculation. You know all the number, you figure out correctly already. But when you substitute into the formula, you forgot some number. Yeah. Sometimes you just copy the 0.4. When you copy down, it becomes 0.5. I don't know why. Okay, that is a small mistake, and then mistake cost you marks. Okay, so now we're ready to do question 3.2. So after we finish question 3.2, I think you can go already. Yay, so fast. Today we aim to finish by 4 o'clock, huh? Okay, it's normal, 4 o'clock. Because after this you have no more class already, right? No, you still no. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Sure, you hate. You see?
What class you have?
PCI.
PCI. I don't know what is PCI.
It's the
I
Laplace.
only know CI.
It's the Laplace.
Okay. Example 3.2. Your lecture got how many pages?
Are they your family members? Are they your family members?
So many. 19. Is that 19?
Serious, Arvin, are they your family members? Why are they black?
Wow, 18. Okay. Today we are going to finish S page.
They are black because
Wow,
the
so many.
manufacturer cannot make it really thick.
13.
Right.
Wow, I have 13 and 13 prime. So many.
I want to buy more.
Basically what we have here is just for us to practice how to do how to
I
plot
want
the
to
graph.
like stick a string to it so that I can do.
So in this question, this is what you are going to see, something like this in the future. Okay, you can see that in this reaction, right, the data that we tabulating in this table is the data from time, okay, 0 to 4 minutes. And the concentration, Ca, the initial concentration is 10 all the way to 1.1. Okay, so basically this Ca 10 is actually Ca now, right? Yeah, because it's the initial concentration. So we have to determine the order of reaction. Determine order of reaction from what you learned just now by using the trial and error method. Okay. So just now you can see there are 4 steps. Right? First, what is the first step?
So it was in the
We have to assume the order of reaction. Let's say just now we already assume 0. Now we change. We start from the assume that this reaction is first order. Okay? 0 is too easy already. Now we assume that.
When you say that assume that
this reaction is first order.
Cannot just say assume n is equal to 1.
Okay,
No.
when we assume this is a first order of reaction,
You can just like assume it's the first order reaction. Don't need to be like that.
so if you talk so much, I will teach all the way until 5 o'clock. Huh?
Huh? Sure, 5 o'clock, like PCI.
You
Because I cannot finish my things.
You cannot
I
make
teach
such
you so many already.
Hello.
We have to assume the first order of reaction. Okay,
What is this?
first order of reaction, we look back at page 10 just now. Huh? When you look at page 10, right? First order of reaction, the graph that we have to plot is this equation, from this equation.
The
Okay.
the Newton-Agar things from
It doesn't mean that you memorize this in the quiz. And then after that, when you assume the first order of reaction, you write down this. Okay?
Don't smoke and
I would recommend you to show me how to derive it from the scratch. Of
That
course.
smells like that in the air.
I know you are hungry for marks. Okay?
Plus like what the hell? Newton-Agar.
So now we assume the
I'm feeling sick now.
first order. First order, we have to plot graph between
No, you want copy?
ln CA naught over CA KT.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Okay. Now look at me, because I have to show you how to do this step by step. Okay? You can see that CA naught over CA. CA naught is 10, right? And CA is according to the time. So how are we going to get this? We have to tabulate the table first. Okay? We have to really calculate the number. Okay, and what we get is this one.
Superman 180 only. So like per lesson was 45.
All this today.
I only
That's a
so
CRT.
360.
Don't ask me this one will be coming out for the exam or not. Huh? If there is not, I don't want to waste my time also.
Whoa.
Yeah, I mean I didn't check because the mom just gave me the value. Then I was like,
Yes, this one is the information that you have to plot into the graph. Therefore, you have to figure out the number.
Actually, I just
Your O must close.
I really I
Your O must close.
You know, it's very difficult to teach when students talk. Maybe 10 years later, it's your turn when you teach.
This looks like
But somehow I
But
adapt
I'm a
already.
teacher now, so
This is like okay.
After teach for a few years, my brain is already adapt. When you talk, I also can talk.
Okay. And then the rest
I just need to make sure that I can talk louder. Okay, when we have this, how we plot graph, right? Okay. To save your time, you can copy this into your lecture note first. Because when you go home, you don't need to do this already, right? You already have this info. Save time, save time.
What's this?
Because Friday is coming, right? You like to enjoy your Friday, so save your time now. So we have to plot the graph between this is y, right? And t is time.
Exactly, I also don't know. Where did Kaka go?
Upstairs.
What she doing?
Usually. 7 for
Hamiza.
03, what's that? 1.106.
She's not a people.
Oh, so many numbers. Just dying. Oh my gosh, my eyes are getting too big. I think I should just like retire.
Retire.
What number is 7? His handwriting is confusing. You should never write 1 like that. Because if you write wrongly, a bit it looks like 7. That's 7. Huh? No, that's 1.
If you go there, he talk right.
Yeah, okay.
And
I will do that. 909.2.227275. See, I'm talking about it.
What's portion K? What's portion K?
Potion.
Portion of portion. What's portion K? I thought there's an R.
Don't know. I don't know.
Brings portion K. Pre-orders 4 bottles.
What is potion?
They want a poison.
I don't know.
They're selling 4 bottles of poison. Drink. But then why put potion K? It's not like it will make you smarter or dumber. So what's a potion? 30. Yeah. Shall we all reenact that? Here you go, Rush. You can take the same photo.
Shit.
Yeah, your family.
okay, after we have tabulated this
Yeah, his kids.
number, we plot a graph. Okay, and how many data points that we have here? 5.
I won't understand.
And you look at the graph here. Huh? Let's say if you want to draw the graph, this one is obviously, it doesn't
No. Sister.
give you the
This where
linear, right? It's not, obviously it's not linear. Huh?
This where the shit comes.
Therefore, it means that this is not
So weird.
first order. So how if it's not first order?
It's second order.
So we have to assume the second order again, huh?
No, because the dots are not linear.
Yeah.
Circle, so it's not a first order.
So it must be a linear, right?
Yeah, first order is linear. Second order is in the downgrade. It's like that, right?
It's the PIPC, right?
Yeah.
What's happening? Hello, future Taffy.
Who are you talking to?
I say hi to my future self.
I think this one you know roughly first, okay? Because
Take it
I
away.
will show you the second order.
You can use this as the curve ruler, you know.
And
One point to another point.
So wait. Oh, you took. Anyone took picture?
Yeah.
Okay, I take photo, I take photo.
Oh yeah, I need to draw this.
then I move to second order. We assume first order somehow cannot make it already, huh?
Yeah.
So we look at the second order. Okay, we have to try the
120.
second order.
Is there a flying lizard? Oh, there is a.
Second order, remember that we get this equation. After that, do the integration. What we have is the 1 over CA minus 1 over CA naught equal to KT.
Look how he literally just rewrote everything.
So this is what we have to plot the graph now.
What's happening?
And now we have to look at the table given, right? Okay, the table is here. Look back at the table again, this table, and then you need to tabulate the data again.
Where is the? It's the same.
So we will have
Oh,
time from 0 to 4, CA, and etc. Okay. The data point we have here also 5 data points.
0.10.5. The numbers move back. The numbers move back one. Not C. My brain hurts, so that's it. I slept during my eyes couldn't open. It was like my eyes was like closed shut for
She just banged her head on the thing and then your phone dropped.
Hey, who did that? Which idiot? Make my phone drop. Make my phone drop.
So basically I show you the
Rip your
step by
eyeball
step
out.
how to determine the order of reaction.
Yeah, so there's 2 tables.
What 2 tables?
Yeah, part 1 and part 2.
I mean, as in, for this one, yeah, part 1 got 2 things.
So this one is first order.
But, yeah.
Look at that, do you see it? Okay, close. Actually, we're gonna do this. There you go. Then you can see it all.
Second order is the curve, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. No, I'm
And
scared.
move on.
It's just, it is flickering.
Yes.
Flickering.
Okay, now come to the most important part, plot the graph. So once you already plot the graph, you will get something like this.
It's linear.
Yeah, that's why I asked you if it's like linear.
And for this is we get the best fit for the 5 data points, okay? And it's obviously
Linear.
the graph is linear, okay? So now you are so lucky that this is the second order, So I have to do third, fourth order extract
There's no such thing.
again and again,
You know,
So basically you get very nice
Even if you do,
linear
I'm not gonna care.
of the slope. Okay, and what is the rate constant of this reaction? From the graph, what is the rate constant?
2, yeah.
0.2027, yes. Another important thing, Because even though you already finalized of course K is the slope now, right? When you get the slope, let's say because you are very alert when I say about marks, okay? Let's say if, because question 2 asks you to calculate the reaction rate constant K. Let's say this is 5 marks, okay? You already have 0.2027. Okay, basically, roughly is 2.5 mark is already credited into your bank account. Another 2.5, what is the unit of this rate constant? Yes, liter per what? Wow, very good. Liter per mole per minute. Well done.
Thanks, Joe.
Because this is first order, right? Second order, sorry. And second order, topic 2, we already calculated the unit of the rate constant. Remember, there is one of the examples that calculate the unit of the reaction from 0, 1, and 2.
What kind of gradient do you do?
Gradient, you know he used Excel.
And obviously that this you need to get from your Excel, right? You have to tabulate data in your Excel. Unless inside your brain it's already got Excel, you can use also.
Joe, why you write at the bottom?
Sorry? R square.
Ask is also Excel.
Excel also.
Then cannot do what?
In exam cannot do too bad.
Joe, what you mean by too bad? There's no such thing formula for R square.
This one usually, okay, you see it's quite difficult to administer this in the exam, right?
Right.
So somehow we have to give you opportunity to use the Excel, right?
So what? Exam got Excel.
So how?
Practical.
I don't know lah. Yeah, someone said practicals are so smart, right? It should be. We will give actually opportunity for you to practice, especially your practicals lah. Because practicals you can go home and then you can do your Excel. After that you get the data. Okay?
And then I just put the R square for the sake of
Except
writing the
you
R square. I
don't.
don't know what you want to. Based on the graph.
There are more things to plot in exam.
You
Not
never
this
write
one.
based on the graph.
Yeah, never right. I thought he don't put the thing.
Hey, that's it. Finish already.
Joe, finish already? Joe, can you put back the thing, please? The lecture
Go on the table.
Sorry.
No, the rest.
Thank you. Just take photo.
Okay, now it's just 3:30. Hello, another half an hour.
No, I thought it's not.
So now page what already? 12.
Joe, finish already, right? Can we go?
Tahan with me a little bit more.
No. Joe, please down.
I want to see you more. That's why sit here. Sit here.
Tap your eyes out. I'm like,
I can't wait to fully be able to speak, have a spot on conversation, and be able to school everything.
If he coming down, you go talk to him. Legit, where you learn?
Okay, since we finished earlier today,
How you finish or
I
not?
think you continue next week.
Yes.
Otherwise, I have to use another 1 hour to teach.
Thanks.
See you next week, huh?
Bye bye.
And remember, you have to do practicals next week, huh? So half of you have to do practicals, huh? Next week, practical will be quite fun. You need to use the reactor. And it can be very short one.
What's
It's not
this?